We'll look at inserting and manipulating shapes. Okay, you're on exercise 1 tab up the top here. We'll just scroll down to where it says step 2. Okay, you might like to try clicking on one of the shapes over here in the panel, for example the rectangle, and simply left click and drag it out onto the screen. Now once you've got your shape there, you can click on it. When you click on it, you get blue handles and red handles. The blue handles can be used for changing the shape, and the red handle can be used for rotating it. Now you might also notice there's another little circle here. That circle's like the stick pin. If a stick pin was placed through there into the page, that's where it would rotate around. Now when you use this red handle, for example, if I move that over to here, I can rotate it around that point there. Okay, you can also move that point outside of the shape and rotate the shape around an external point. Okay, let me just put another shape in. With some shapes, when you grab the handles and you drag them across, they actually reverse themselves like this. Okay, by double clicking on the shape, you'll show the Insert tab. Now on the Insert tab, we've got the outline color of the shape, for example purple, and the fill color. Let's make it yellow. Okay, so you can change both of those. If you need to rotate at minute amounts, you can use these buttons up the top here, the green buttons, and you can also move it a fine amount as well. Now the rotation button here changes the position of the rotation point and the handles. Okay, the rotation center, I can set it to the center of the object. In this case it rotates around that center point there. If I want to change it to the bottom left, I can then rotate it around that point there. Okay, another thing I can do is change this rotation handle position. I can change it down to the bottom corner and then rotate it around there. Okay, so just remember, when you insert a shape, shapes can be adjusted with the blue handles and rotated with the red dot and the center point there. They can be colored using any of these.